Ooh.
Pretty.
Ooh, Libby.
You like that? Is that pretty?
Okay. So much for that.
That-
Is that a match that goes together?
What?
That
Oh, yeah,
dressing
the little
coat?
coat, yeah.
Oh, that's so
Like,
cute. Look,
Fancy Nancy
history.
book?
Look at her read.
Libby,
Okay.
Careful.
don't throw things.
You don't have to throw.
Hi, Libby. Hi, Libby. Hello.
The book?
Yeah, it's a finger puppet.
Check it out. Open it up.
Butterfly?
That book.
She has to check it. She has to see where it goes.
Gotta check it out.
You like that book?
Finger puppet, I think.
Okay.
Nice.
You got Fancy Nancy. You got a In My Flower book. Fancy Nancy? Yeah, we'll read that later.
So at least check out the
Put
page
that
or
on the
two.
other side so it doesn't have it there.
Oh,
Oh boy,
boy.
here's the big one.
Oh
Big
boy.
coloring.
Coloring book. Where's Princess Tiana? Yeah.
Yeah, that one's Tiana.
Hi, Libby.
Look at Grandpa.
Olivia.
Livy. Look at Grandpa.
I'm not getting any face here.
Probably gonna have to go behind Jennifer.
Mm-hmm.
Now she looks that way.
Singamajigs?
Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah, I've seen those, yeah.
Wow.
She likes it.
Like that?
She likes the things that respond to her.
That's a hit.
Oh, you want to open something else?
More presents, Libby.
More presents. Here, open this one. Who's this one?
Crayons again?
Oh, this one's from Uncle Mike. Here's paper. What else you got? Okay, smooth it out. More paper.
Let's not smooth all of it out.
It'll take a while.
2 hours later.
More paper now?
It's in the blood.
No more paper for you.
What's in the bag? Oh my goodness.
Look at this, Libby.
It's a teddy.
The bow.
Bow.
Oh, geez.
Bow.
What else is in there? A teddy bear. And a card.
Aww.
Got a hoodie.
Got a hoodie.
Wow.
Your card. You want to use your card? What's on there? A duck? Peekaboo. Look who's two.
Two. You're two.
Is that soft? Are you two? Say two. Okay. So much
Nice.
for the
That
card.
was a good one.
That was a good one. You got more presents, Libby?